Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are going to talk about Android 11 update. Hey guys, if you didn't know about my channel, in this channel we talk all about tech, and there's a video every Sunday. So let's get into this video right here. We are going to talk about Android 11. So I'm just going to open my phone, and as you can see you have the Android 11 poster. So here I'm just gonna go click let's go. So this phone is recently updated, and if you're wondering what new phone, the latest update can give to your phone, or whether you want to update it or not, this is the video for you. So let's get right into it. Let's click let's go. Get all your messages in one place, so we can learn more about that, which means you get all your conversations in the notifications. You also have your phone's personalized updates. For example, mine right here is from Motorola, so I get extra features from them. You also, if you have a Samsung phone, you're gonna get separate set of features. So that's for the first thing. And the bubbles, pin conversations to keep chatting while multitasking. So you get these bubbles. So for example, like the Facebook Messenger, so you can multitask bubble using this bubble and text at the same time, which is really useful when it gets handy when someone's texting and at the same time you have to open something else. Alright, the next feature is going to be screen recorder. Alright, in some phones this wasn't built in, so the feature that we all been looking for is screen recording. Now it's finally here. For people who have an Android phone, or who have a Samsung phone, they would already have the screen recording, or OnePlus or Oppo, any other phones who have built-in screen recording. This might not be exciting for you, but here we go. Alright, now let's get to the next part. Alright, and next, so you have device controls. So the notification panel might have been changed. So you have control connected home devices in one place. So if you have the Google Home, your TV, or your door, you can do all that right here. So that's really well, it looks really good to have all those functions in one place on your phone. So that's another feature of Android 11. Here we have permission to auto reset. So auto reset permission for apps haven't been used in a while. So this feature has been disabled recently, and they have enabled again. As you can see, haven't been used in a while, so that's there. And if you want me to do a detailed video on every single feature, get them in the comments below. So let's go to the next video. Alright, all set. Enjoy Android 11. So that's gotta be it for today's video, guys. Catch you in the next one, and peace.